Two sentences we will make on this thing, okay? Car is I like feeding dogs. Good. Make one
Sir,
sentence.
sir, me?
Yes.
First, the definition of vocabulary is vocabulary means a group of words and their meaning. A person knows house is beautiful. This is big house.
Today's topic is how to build strong vocabulary. So, dear students, first let's learn about the meaning of vocabulary. Vocabulary means a group of words and their meanings a person knows and uses. A vocabulary means different words or different sentences, a collection of words, a group of words or sentences a person knows and he or she also uses those words or those sentences while he communicates with other people. So, what is on your screen right now? What is this?
Sir, apple.
Yes, apple. Yes, of course, this is an apple. So, how many students can write simple two sentences about the apple? And you can also take the help of chat box. Good. So, Mr. Hamidwani writes, apple is red in color. Good. So, the first sentence is absolutely correct. I want the other students to take the participation, to have the participation. So, Mr. Hamidwani, you will not write the sentence anymore, okay? The other students will write. Apple is very healthy for our life. Good,
Sir, a book.
good. Book. So, we will make two sentences, two simple English sentences on book. Okay, book contains a lot of knowledge. I like books. Very good. Inal Hatch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is on your screen?
Sir,
A car. Very good. Car is very fast. This is the first sentence. A car. I drive a car. Okay, what is on your screen?
dog.
Dog. Very good. So we will make two sentences. Dog is a pet animal. Good. Okay, what's the next sentence we can make? I like feeding dogs. Good. So these are the two simple sentences. Egg. Very good. So you will make one
Sir,
sentence.
sir, me?
Yes.
Sir, I like egg. I eat egg.
Very okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is a fish.
Good. So we will make two sentences. This is a fish.
Sir, I like fish and I like eating the fish.
Okay. I like eating the fish. Grass. Very good. The first sentence is the grass is green. Grass is very long. Okay, good. Got it. Only two sentences you have to make. What is this?
Sir, house.
Okay, we will make two sentences.
The house is beautiful.
Good. The house is beautiful. You will write in the chat box. House is very important for human beings. This is a big house. Very good. Okay, only two sentences you have to write.
Sir, ice.
Ice. Okay, can you make a sentence?
Yes, sir. I love to eat ice in summer.
Good. I like or I love to eat ice in summer. Ice is cold. Cold. Screen in the glass.
Juice.
Juice. Very good. I drink orange juice. Juice. What is the next possible sentence? I love juice from Hinal and Hatfi. Very good. Okay, Mr. Soil Singh, you will unmute yourself, lower your hand, and read all these sentences. First, you will introduce yourself. You may lower your hand, Mr. Khalid and Jose.
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Al Singh. I am 11 years old. I study in 6th class. My school name is Global Convent School. I study. My father name is Ajit Kumar and he is a policeman. My mother name is Shalu Devi and she is a housewife. My aim in life is to become an IPS officer. Today, we learn how to build strong vocabulary. Apple is red in color. Apple is very healthy for our life. Book contains a lot of knowledge. I like books. Car is very fast. I like Bugatti car. Dog is a pet animal. I like feeding dogs. I like eggs. Eat fish. I like fish. The grass is green. Grass is very long. The house is very beautiful. This is big house. I like to eat ice cream in. Apple is red in color. Apple is very healthy for our life. Second, we have made a sentence on book. Book contains a lot of knowledge. I like books. Apple is red in color. Apple is very healthy. Book contains a lot of knowledge. I am reading book. Car. Car is very fast. I like Lamborghini car. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. The grass is green. The grass is thick. House. The house is beautiful. This is a big house. Ice. I like to eat ice in summer. Ice is very cold. Juice. I drink orange juice. I like juice. Thank you, sir. Apple is very healthy for our life. Apple is red in color. Then book. This is my favorite book. I am reading a book. Then car. I like to drive car. Lamborghini is one of my favorite car. Then dog. Dog is a pet animal. I like feeding dogs. Then egg. I like egg. I eat eggs. Fish. I like eating the fish. Fish cannot live without water.
Egg. I like fifth egg. I eat eggs. I like eggs. Sixth fish. I like fish. I like eat the fish. The grass is very thick.
I am reading books. This is my favorite book. Car is very fast. I drive a car. Dog is a pet animal. I like feeding dogs. I eat eggs. I like eggs. I I like eating the fish. Fish breathes from gills. Grass is very long. The grass is very thick.